All right, good afternoon everyone. How your day is going on this beautiful Monday here where I'm at. It's about 60 degrees where I'm at here at the scrapyard, getting ready to get everything offload. I have about 10 minutes left, so I'm gonna be talking fast to you guys, try to get this done, get this load offloaded off this trailer and try to make it a day. I'm not gonna be able to break anything down, man. I got here kind of late. Today started off pretty fast and then it just went downhill from there. Everything slowed down on me. A lot of people were riding around doing scrap metal. And guess what? I had to come in at the last minute. So anyway, let me show you guys what I have on here. I got the refrigerator on here, dishwasher on here. I got this, little sidekick there. Got this, I would love to break this down. I might take this home with me. I'm still debating. The thing about it is like I said, I just have a hard time with my homeowner association. But anyway, I have this AC unit right here. I have like these little rats and stuff like that, dog cage, hot water tank. Let's keep walking around here and see what else I have. Oh man, let me see. Man, I have this 2 stove someone gave me. I have this sink here that's going with me. That goes up there to the non-ferrous pile. And that's pretty much it. That's everything I have beside that grill and that dishwasher in the back. That's pretty much everything that I have. I'm a long time, guys. So this is gonna be a short video here. I'm gonna make this pretty fast. Got the excavator right here. It's getting ready to shut down. These guys are getting off. And so they're pretty much done here. I got one more gentleman over there. He's getting offloaded and getting everything offloaded. So this is pretty much it. All right, everybody, got everything offloaded, everything off of the trailer here, all offloaded, everything going to the ground, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do any breakdown. I got about 5 minutes left. You guys ready to go? They're sitting inside the van here. They ready to get out for work, pretty much offloaded. I'm gonna call it a day. You guys enjoy your Monday Night Football. Turkey week coming up. You guys be blessed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.